Everybody has been affected by the coronavirus one way or another. For my wife Joan and I, we had a lot of traveling plans this summer and we had to cancel them. But instead of sitting around on our butts doing nothing, we decided we were going to build a Factory 5 33 hot rod kit. Now, all the parts have been delivered, we're ready to go, and we want to share the adventure with you. The heart of the car is the drivetrain, and we're going to start out with a Chevy small block 383 stroker engine. We're going to tie that to a 7R400 transmission. It's got a 2500 RPM stall converter, and then the rear end is going to be an 8.8 Ford Moser rear end with positive traction and 355 gears. The body is modeled off a 1933 Ford. It's all fiberglass. The frame is all custom. This baby's going to be light, and this baby's going to be fast. We have boxes and boxes of parts. Everything you can need to put a car together. Door handles, brakes, steering wheels, nuts and bolts. Everything that's needed is here in one of these boxes, and we have to put it all together. It's going to be fun. Okay, so before we can put anything together, we got to inventory all this stuff, and there's a lot of stuff to inventory. After that, we take the body off the chassis, we put that in storage, and then we can finally start turning wrenches. So keep coming back and checking us out on Facebook to see how we're progressing. We also have a YouTube channel. It's 33 Hot Rod. Check us out on YouTube. Cheers.